In Delhi, various kinds of joyride are available. Among them, most exciting and affordable joyride is cycle. App-based renting facility is there, like Ilu for e-bike, Smart Bike for pedal cycle. You can find them at various metro stations and in some tourist places. In this video, I would share detail about Smart Bike. How to use the Smart Bike is written on it. Register, rent, park, and return. Let's do it. First, go to Play Store and download Smart Bike app. I already downloaded it, so I opened it. Register. First name, last name, email ID, gender, date of birth, and next. You can skip it to the right page or have a look at the tariff. Tariff means how much it costs. Here in Delhi, only a Smart Bike is available for every 30 minutes, 10 rupees plus GST. Enter bike number or scan the QR code on the bike. From 30 December to 2022, you need to have 150 rupees minimum balance in the wallet. The video was shot earlier than 30 December. Enter bike number, scan the QR code on the bike. You need to give location permission. Enjoy your ride. You can see your riding time on the display. You can pause it or end the ride. End the ride in the app and lock it. Thanks for watching.